Today we are going to see how to use some shortcuts to manage data. So we are going to start with the first one, is use press and down arrow. If we need to go to the first cell to the down, we press Control Shift and uh, down arrow. If we are going to the right, we just select Control and we go to the left. We can use the same Control Up. This is the opposite. So we use Control plus up or down. Or down. Let's select everything. We use Control A. Now you see, you select all the data. Now, keep some parts of the data. Let's say that we want the first. So we press the first column. We press Control, Shift, and down arrow. Control X, and we put the data in the column F. With Control B. Shift, it's pretty easy to use. Hope it will be helpful.